Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the channel where I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. Today I have an interesting content to share with you. My kind of everyday makeup routine. Yeah, it's very easy look. I'm going for a very neutral tone, and I think it's something you can wear every day.
Yeah.
And look effortless. But say hi to my plant first.
I'm a sunflower. I think I love a bit too much.
Anyways, so let's not get distracted. Yeah, this is my face right now. Let's start off first with cleaning this face, because you don't know what little organisms are on there. I'm gonna go on and moisturize it. I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I mean, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just want to tell you out there that I think that as long as you think you look good, then I think you're fine. Do it. Just do it.
Just do it!
Anyways, what was I doing? Now just do it. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, concealer. Normally I don't like going on in with foundation because, you know, sometimes like these days my face is good. It's being nice to me. It's being like...
You're having a bad week, Christina, so let's give you a nice skin day to make you feel better.
I've been using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. The shade 25 Medium, Christina. It's supposed to be a 5-minute makeup everyday look, not 3 hours, alright? So let's put this on. Got a big booty blender. Soak it in the water. Then I'm just gonna lightly dabby. Done. Now I am going to use my bronzer. I'm using Makeup and Glow Bronzing Base by W7. Wine color, and it's from Silkygirl. Now I'm gonna apply some on the cheeks and then blend it out. I'm gonna just do 2 dots. So I'm gonna go in with this #1 Ash Brown by Baby Bright. That's a lot of shoulder work out there. Okay, now that we're done with the brows, we move on to the eyes. Now today I'm using a very special palette that I splurge on. It's this palette, Coca Cola by the FACESHOP. Pretty color. And it's got a nice mirror on it. Gonna dip into this color. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Boop. I'm gonna go all over my lid. Yes. And now we're gonna go in with this whitish, creamish, sparkling thing. And then we shall take it and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, a sparkly kind of color. Then you want to take that dark color and just bring it underneath. And the most scary part is torturing your eyelash with eyelash curler. So you want to curl your eyelashes so it looks like an elephant trunk. It's just up. That's a relief. Now I'm using this mascara by Beluw 2x setting. The highlighting. Again, I'm using this local brand highlighter. It's very gross looking, by Cathy doll. The lips. Now I've been really loving this Wet n Wild lip color called Sandstorm. The code of Sandstorm is E913C. And there you have it. My everyday makeup kind of look. Let's hit it with a montage. So thank you so much for watching another video. If you like more of these videos, please make sure to subscribe. Open that bell button so every time I post a new video, you get notified. So that's it for today.